Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Pixel Tap to MetaMask. Step by step and update it for 2025. Let's jump right in. First, open the Pixel Tap using the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. This is important for smooth access. Once you're inside Pixel Tap, you'll land on the main dashboard. Look for the button that says Connect Any Wallet and tap it. You'll now see a list of wallet options. Here, choose other wallet, not MetaMask directly. Now switch over to your MetaMask app. If you don't already have a wallet, create one. Otherwise, just open your existing wallet. Copy your wallet address is the long string starting with OX. Head back to the Pixel Tap dashboard and paste the address into the field provided. Finally, tap the Mint button and you're done. Your MetaMask wallet is now successfully connected to Pixel Tap. And that's it, super simple and quick. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one as always.